Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my laundry room that recently got a refresh. As you can see, it's a small laundry room, but I like it. Here's the new dryer that we recently got, and it's also a fresh coat of paint. I have a little wire basket here with my dryer sheets, and the whole top of the cabinets has some baskets and greenery, even with a little greenery wreath on the side. And over here we have a couple of signs: wash, dry, and fold. And I hung a pretty little scarf from it. Every day is a fresh start. And over here I have a mop and broom, even a little lint brush there, holder for all those, and a little towel hook. And I have my ironing board just slid in there between the wall and the washing machine. So inside my cabinets, nothing special, just my laundry detergents, my iron, a little tote with some feather dusters, and all my cleaning supplies. So that's how I organize that. I even have enough space in between to put like a little roll-out shelf or table. So I'm going to be looking for something like that. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this and got some inspiration, I'd appreciate a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to. Again, thank you all for watching.